Hello guys, welcome to my channel Creative Nest. Today we will be painting a very simple galaxy sky. So let's get started. For this we will be needing a canvas, black color, mauve color, pale emerald color, Prussian blue, sky blue, round and flat brushes and a sponge. So let's get started. At first, I am taking Prussian blue color and filling up all the spaces using a flat brush. Now I am mixing pale emerald with Prussian blue color. I am dabbing my brush in a particular way to create a galaxy-like pattern with lighter shades. Now I am using sky blue color to cover up the remaining spaces. Now I will be using a sponge in this way to add further texture. I'm just dabbing sky blue color to create such textures. Now I'm adding a little white in sky blue and dabbing my sponge all over. For making stars, I have taken white color in round brush and I am dabbing it all over my painting to create such star-like patterns. Now I am taking black color in my round brush and filling up the bottom spaces which I have left. Now I will be making pine trees. For this I am taking black color and dabbing it all over to create pine tree like structure. And it's done. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.